welcome to Be Bright Energy's Deep Relaxation Qigong Body Scan. Today we're going to relax our breath and our body so we can find that place of stillness within each one of us that removes us from the world for one moment and allows us to fall into this sanctuary within each one of our hearts. So let's begin. First of all, find a comfortable position for you to lay down and release the body. This can be on the earth or in bed. And as you do so, allow your body to settle naturally into the support beneath you. Breathing in. And as you release the breath, let go of all of the tension in the body, allowing the body to settle. Feel the earth holding you. Feel the gentle presence of water nearby. There's nothing that you need to be doing right now. There's nothing to achieve and nowhere to go. We simply just arrive into this moment. Take a slow, easy breath in through the nose once more. Breathing in, nice long inhale. And as you release the breath fully. A nice long exhale out. Breathing in and then completely releasing. With every exhale, allow yourself to be released a little more. Tension being released from the body, that sense of holding being released, allowing the body to open and be free. Each breath in is an act of surrender. Each breath out is an act of release. So first, let's focus on the head. As we breathe in, we become aware of the scalp, and releasing the breath, we're releasing the scalp and any tension in the forehead. Releasing the forehead, allowing the forehead to open and be released, and continuing those deep breaths as we move to the muscles around the eyes, breathing in and then releasing deeply into the eye sockets, relaxing the cheeks, the jaw, the tongue, allowing the jaw just to relax and fall open. We feel the entire face becoming soft and peaceful, as though it's melting into stillness. And now we bring attention to your neck, releasing any tension you carry in the neck. Breathing in, feeling the neck. Breathing out and allowing the neck just to open and relax. The throat opens, the back of the neck softens. Feel the warmth of a current relaxing and flowing through the shoulders. We breathe in, and as we breathe out, the shoulders become heavy, loose, and free as they melt into the bed. We now move to the arms, allowing relaxation to flow into the arms. Breathing in, we become aware of the upper arms. Breathing out, we release them, let them flow gently into the bed. Breathing in once more and releasing the elbows all the way down to the forearms. As the breath is released, we release all of the tension in the wrists. Now we allow the hands to open, all the tension to be released, the palms open, The fingers relax all the way down to the fingertips. Every muscle is softening. Every cell is resting and being revitalized and released. Now being aware of the chest, feeling the natural rise and fall of your breath. Nothing forced, nothing controlled, simply receiving each breath and releasing each breath, allowing the heart center to soften. Imagine a peaceful energy of water surrounding you, calm, steady, and nurturing. The heart resting within the calmness. Now we move to the upper back and the shoulder blades, the middle of the back and the lower back, breathing in. And as we let go of that breath, we let go of the whole of the back, all the way down to the lower back. Feeling the earth supporting you as you release the body into the earth. With each breath, we're letting go of every thought, of every tension. There's nothing to be held on to. There's every reason to let everything go with each breath, to surrender, to trust, and to fall in this place of stillness as we move to your stomach, breathing in, and as we breathe out, we release any tension in the belly, and the belly softens. Feel the gentle movement of the breath, like small waves moving across a quiet shoreline. Breathing in and then releasing the breath, allowing the ocean within you to settle. And now allow the relaxation to go even deeper into your hips and pelvis, these deep centers within the body. Often we hold lots of tension here, so we breathe into this space. And as we breathe out, we release all of our worries, our emotions, and any burdens. We let them go and allow this area to open and be released. And as we surrender and open, we feel relaxed and supported as we move down the thighs to the knees, breathing in and then releasing the thighs down to the knees and allowing the muscles to open, the tension to be released. Moving down the calves, releasing the calves, becoming aware of the ankles and then letting them go. And finally, we move down to the feet where we hold lots of tension. So we're going to go to a deep relaxation by breathing in. And as we breathe out, allowing all of the muscles of the soles of the feet and the tops of the feet to be released, all the way down to the toes, relaxing the toes, allowing every part of our body to be open now, from the crown all the way down to the tips of our toes. We breathe in, take a deep breath in, and as we release, we allow the body to become soft, open, and free. The whole body is being released and connecting back to the earth energy, finding a place of peacefulness that we can find within each heart. Notice the gentle flow of qi through your body, perhaps as a warmth or a tingling, or perhaps simply just stillness. There is no need to force anything, just simply open up and receive. Imagine now, with every breath in, you are drawing in pure healing energy of water, calmness flowing within you with every breath. As you release that breath, you release all of the tension, all of the stress, all of the worries, and any concerns you have. We let them go as we breathe back in and breathing peace. Breathing out release, breathing in harmony, breathing out surrender. And for the next few moments, just rest in that stillness, allowing your body to be open and still so it can heal, and allowing the mind just to settle in this place of peace and stillness, feeling the flow of energy, feeling your support from the earth as you release the body and release the mind. As we fall into the silence, we find this place within us, this sanctuary within each heart, and we're now going to lay in this place of peace and be rejuvenated and released. So take one more breath in, and then completely release yourself into this place of peace.